Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Rainbow Smash from Fortnite. Let's get started at the top left side of our page with the eye. So we're going to draw a circle starting from the top, work our way around to the bottom, then back up towards the top. In the center of the eye we're going to draw a small circle and fill that in black. Now let's move up above the eye. We're going to start with a point. From this point, we're going to draw a curve coming down the front of the face, curving across, and then down to right about there. Go back to the top, we're going to curve the back of the neck, curving across, and then down. Now before we draw on the straps, just below the eye, I'm going to draw a small circle. It's going to be for the inside of the ring. Now let's go back to the outside. Right here, we're going to draw an overlap. Stepping up, draw an angled line coming in towards that circle. Now let's go back to the top, do the same thing, drawing an overlap, coming down and in towards that circle. Back on the left side, we're going to draw the edge of the strap, going down in an angle. Now we're going to come in, we're going to taper this line, coming in towards that circle. Let's do the same thing with the top. I'm going to come down in an angle. Now we're going to come in, so tapering that line in towards that circle. Now we're going to draw the lower part of the strap at the bottom of the circle. On the left side, we're going to angle down and out. Then on the right, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Now let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to move back to the left side and draw on the front of the face. From this tip of the strap, we're going to step in, draw a straight angled line coming out. Now we're going to curve down towards the tip of the mouth, coming down, then curving over towards the left. Now we're going to draw a straight line coming in, right about there. Now we're going to add a circle. Starting from the end of that line, we're going to work our way around and back in. In the center, I'm just going to draw a smaller circle. From the right side of this circle, I'm going to come down at an angle towards the strap. I'm going to leave a little overlap at the bottom here. Now we're going to draw on the lower jaw. From the bottom of the circle, we're going to angle down and out. We're going to come straight across. Now I'm just going to curve this up towards the circle, going in and then up. Let's add the bottom row of teeth. From the tip of the mouth, we're going to step up, draw an angled line. Now we're going to come up and then in behind that circle. Let's draw on the side of the neck. From this point in the strap, we're going to curve across and then down. Now on the back, we're going to draw a wave. From this point, we're going to step in, curve down. Now at the bottom, we're going to curve it out towards the right. Let's connect these 2 points with a straight angled line. Let's move back up to the top and draw on the ear. From this top point, we're going to step over towards the right, curve over towards the left. Now we're going to flatten off the end with a short straight line. Now we're going to come across. We're going to cross towards the right. Now we're going to come down at an angle towards that strap, just leaving a little gap in between. Now at the front of the forehead, we're going to add the horn. So just above the strap, we're going to go out and curve that up towards the tip of the horn. We're going to curve in the opposite direction, back in towards the head. Coming in, let's add those lines. Starting from the top, we're just going to curve across. Step down, another curve. We're going to do this a few more times. Add one more along the bottom. Now we're going to add the mane on the back of the head. Starting from this top point, we're going to angle up, in behind the ear. We're going to continue just up above. Now we're going to curve across to the back of the head. Starting up here, we're going to curve up, come around the side of the head. We're going to stop right about here. We're going to add a notch. We're going to angle down and in with a straight line. Now we're going to taper this back out. Now we're going to continue that curve, curving in. Now at the bottom, we're going to flare this out. Let's taper this back in behind the neck. Curve down and then in. Now we're going to add some texture to the mane. Up above this notch, we're going to step up. We're going to angle down and then in behind the strap. We're going to step up. Now we're going to be pulling these lines inwards. Coming down and in. Step up a little bit. Come down. We'll add one more along the top. Now let's work our way along the bottom, starting from the head angle out. Now right down here, we're going to start to curve this. Curving down. We'll draw one more. Curving down towards the outside of the mane. Now we're going to add some detail to the head. Starting up here, we're going to angle up and in. Now we're going to curve this down. Now we're going to add a point. Going up and then back down. Now we're going to curve this across. Now we're going to pull this down with a curve towards the bottom of the head. Now we're going to add that rainbow texture. Stepping up, we're going to curve in and then down. Step up, we're going to follow that same curve. I'm going to step up again and do that one more time. Now at the bottom, we're going to step out and work our way upward. Curving up, we're going to go about halfway. Now we're going to add some points. Go up at an angle and back down. We're going to vary these sizes. Go smaller, do a larger one here. We'll add one more, going up and then out towards the side of the head. Along the front, we're going to add some zigzags. Starting from the top, we're going to come down, up, down, and then in behind the rainbow. We'll do this 2 more times. Going down, up, and then one final time. We're just going to come down, up, and then down. Now that we finished the head, let's draw in the stick. We start up here. We're going to draw 2 lines. One on the left, one on the right. We're going to close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to step in and draw 2 angled lines going outwards. Let's close off the bottom with another straight line. Now from here, we're going to draw the stick coming down at an angle, but we're going to taper it as we come down. Starting on the left, we're going to angle down towards the bottom. Now we're going to go to the right side. Now again, we're going to taper this so it gets a little bit narrower as we come down towards the bottom. We're going to overlap these 2 points with a straight angled line. Now we're going to come down at an angle. Now at the bottom, we're going to add the wheel. So in between these 2 points, we're going to start with a circle. In the center, we're going to draw a smaller circle. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the outside of the ring. Starting up here, we're going to start at the side of the strap. We're going to curve over towards the right, come down here, curve over towards the bottom strap, and then continue on the left side. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Rainbow Smash from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.